Guys, welcome back. Look at what I found at Dollarama. Barbie Extra. Look at these. These were at the dollar store and they are authentic Barbie Extra. I have seen these at Toys R Us and at Walmart and they were at my dollar store. This is legit Barbie Mattel. This is the kind of thing that you look for throughout the year and you purchase and you put aside for Christmas, for birthdays, for any gifts that you need because these were $5 each. That means I bought two of them for the price of one at our Toys R Us or our Walmarts. Can you, Dollarama stepping it up with this new $5 price point. I am so excited. These are actual legit Barbie products. These are not knockoffs. I'm so excited. I want to open them. This one reminds me so much of the 90s, the 80s and 90s. It's a record player. In the 80s, I had one of these for my Barbie. It's like flashbacks. Okay, so exciting. And look at how cute. These are awesome. So to open them up, I did bring two of my favorite Barbies, and they're still wearing their Hello Kitty outfits so that we can try these things on. It's just so cute. So you're getting an outfit or a coat and the accessories and the toy. Look at the ghetto blaster. That is so 80s and 90s with the wired headphones. Look. Oh, and this one, look at the fur. Oh, okay. Okay, which one should we open first? And tell me in the comments, have you seen these at your Dollarama? Or in the United States, have you seen them at your Five Below, your 10 Below? I don't know if these would be at any of your Dollar Tree Pluses, but maybe you've seen them at Target or any of the stores that we don't have here. But so, so cute. This one reminds me of the 80s, so I'm going to open it last. I'm going to open this one first because look at that fur. I'm going to put it on Nikki because she's wearing pink, and it's pink and blue, and I think that would look so cute. It might clash with the peachy color on this one. You know what? I think Nikki might have to wear this one too because of the pink and blue. Okay, anyway, let's just go ahead and get these open. Barbie has been coming up with such cool things now. Oh my goodness, the vibrancy. Look at the vibrancy of the cardboard. Honestly, I might save that just to cut it out and make a cool craft with it. That's really pretty. Look, it's so cute. Okay. There's so much plastic packaging with these though. Oh, you know what? Done. Look at the purse. It's a cloud. I'm getting total Care Bear vibes. Total Care Bear vibes with the vest. Okay. Okay, let's get that out and that out. Oh, the sunglasses or the glasses are... She totally looks like she's going to a 90s rave. Look at all of this. All this. $5. The whole thing. I mean, and it's Barbie Extra. Seriously, if you find these at your Dollarama, have a little bin in your house to put these in. Or, give them to the kids in your life. Your nieces, your nephews, whoever, your sons, daughters. Look at the vest. Or if you're like me, yourself. Look. Okay, here we go. 1, 2. Oh my goodness. Look at how cute this is. Look at this vest. Oh, Barbie, you're stunning. I have no words. I love it. Okay, let's get this purse. Again, total Care Bear vibes. Okay. Oh, it's a crisscross. Oh, it doesn't open. Oh, it is solid, but look at the crisscross. Okay, here you go. Doesn't come with shoes, which I'm actually happier about because so many Barbies have different feet and the different waistlines now. It's actually really cool to find a vest. No matter what Barbie you have, the vest is going to fit. Look at how cute. Oh, look at how cute, guys. Oh my goodness. Barbie, you are styling. And then the headband. Okay, look at that. Is just so precious. It doesn't clip to her head though. Is it supposed to clip to the dog? Does it, or to this animal? Because it goes on the pet. Okay. Look. I mean, for photo shoots, I guess you could hold it onto her head because that looked really cool on Barbie too. Look at the pet. And that's actually held on really well. Wow, that is actually held on really, really well. Wow. Honestly, the makers or LOLs could learn from these because look, the LOL headbands don't stay on. Look how cute. And then the dog bed or the cat bed. Is this a dog? It's a cat dog? Doesn't matter. Look at the pet. Look it. Oh my goodness. Does it have wheels? Oh, there's no wheels, but it does say Barbie Extra. Can you see it? I hope you can see it. 2021 Mattel. Like these things aren't even old and they're already at the dollar store. And then these are the, look at them. There is a bite out of this donut. Can you see it focusing in? Can you see these little bite? Look at how cute. Okay, will these go on her? Okay, so clearly these are not for Barbie either. Must be for the dog. Let's try. Oh, I'm sorry, dog. I'm getting stuck. Why do you have, like, there's some sort of sticky on its head. From the tape, maybe? Okay. Donuts. Donuts? Does it clip? Oh, okay. Okay, so it can only wear one or the other. Look at how cute. Yeah, and it clips in. Oh my gosh, Barbie's pets are stepping out. They are so cute. Okay, here's your little dog bed. Oh my goodness. So this is even better in this one because you have a cool outfit for your Barbie. Look at the fur. I am loving the faux fur. She is styling. My girl here is styling with her Care Bear inspired cloud purse. And she has her matching puppy. That is so cute. So the fur in her vest is actually matching the cloud for the cloud purse and then the pink and the blue of the dog. How freaking cute is that? $5. Okay, let's do the next one. Excuse me. We'll have to just move you out of the way a bit. Here comes the next one. Okay, Barbie, we'll use you for this one. This Barbie. Here we go with this one. This one is my total 90s vibe. Oh, I think they're all 90s vibe because the colors here are screaming 90s. Oh, don't be stuck. Oh, no. There we go. This is a screaming 90s with the 80s and 90s. Oh my goodness. Let's get it all out. This is like a jean jacket. I think it's supposed to be like a jean jacket. Oh, she has a teddy. Okay. Oh my gosh. The hat for the teddy. You know what? If you didn't know it was a hat for the teddy, it looks like little underwear for Barbie. It looks like Barbie underwear. Could it be Barbie underwear? Could this be a dual? Could we use this for both? You know, like what if Barbie's out, you know, if you're playing Barbie and she's at the beach and she needs a bikini? Nope, doesn't fit up her legs. It gets stuck. Okay, oh well. So this definitely is maybe Skipper. A beanie. For the teddy. Oh my gosh. And it's a two-tone teddy. Pink and blue. Pink and blue. Okay. Oh, look at how they did the radio, the ghetto blaster. They didn't actually, it's hollow. Oh, that's how you know this is not a vintage toy. In the 80s and 90s, this would have been solid plastic. This one is, well, that's odd. Look at the detail. There's a zipper. Barbie Extra with the record. Oh my goodness. Look at, and it's wired. Okay, does it connect? Is there a, oh, it connects. Oh my goodness. Think of the photo shoots. Think of the photo shoots you could do with this. Or again, keep them, gift them. Look at the details. There's buttons. I mean, they're fake. They don't do anything. And these ones don't have any tags in them to indicate authentic Barbie once you've taken it out of the package. So from a collector's point, I really don't like that. I really wish that, you know, it had the Barbie tag like they used to. Let's try this coat on. Let's get this jean jacket on. Come here, Barbie. Look at with the teddy on the back. Oh, Here we go. Total 90s vibes. Look at that. Oh my gosh, 80s and 90s. It says pop. P-O-P. Okay. It's a little big. It's a little big. Look at the pockets, but still. Are you loving this? I am loving this. And here she can hold her. Whoops. Maybe I should have used the one with the bendy arms. She can hold her record player and her ghetto blaster here. Let's put this on her head. Does it fit? Oh, it looks like she's holding it. Look. Oh my goodness. Okay, this one's not such a good fit. I think this one is my favorite out of the two. I thought it would be this one, but you know what? I'm loving the fur. I'm loving the pet dog with the ears. This is total rave 90s, and this one is, I don't know. She's got a record player that screams 70s and 80s, but she's got this radio that screams 80s and 90s. She's got the denim that kind of covered both eras. But this one reminds me of 90s with the little beanie hat and the bear. I don't know. Which one is your favorite? I love them both, but I think I have switched from this one to this one. This one looks, I love it. Let me know in the comments, which one's your favorite? Have you seen these? Would you buy these? Would you do photo shoots with these? What would you do with these? All right, that's it for now. Bye, guys.